everyone, and welcome to Kid E Handmade. Today we're unboxing the Toniebox 2 together. Many have been waiting for this new version, so let's take a look at what's inside and how it looks. The packaging is beautifully designed. On the front, you can see the product, and on the back, you'll find details about the key features. Now let's open it up. Right on top is the charging cable. It's fairly short, only about 22 centimeters long. Next, there's a protective insert that holds the setup guide in several languages. And underneath, we finally reveal the Toniebox 2. The note here says, to switch on, first connect the cable to charge. After that, setup continues through the Tonie's app. A QR code is also included, making it easy to find the app in the App Store or Google Play. Now here is the Toniebox. It's safely cushioned and feels sturdy and well made, just right for children's hands. The modern design with rounded edges really stands out. On top, there's now the LED ring. It shows the status of the box, for example, while charging, connecting to Wi-Fi, or adjusting the volume. During playback, it lights up with colorful effects, adding a lively touch. It also supports interactive games, the sleep timer, and the sunrise mode. Another update, the charging station is no longer included. The Toniebox 2 now charges via USB-C. And here is ToniePlay. The new interactive feature that works only with the Toniebox 2. It's not compatible with the first generation.
Zeit zum Spielen. Lege eine ToniePlay Disc auf die Toniebox.
For example, here we have Quizzles, das bunte Tierwelt, an interactive game where children learn and answer questions in a playful way. Before starting, the content needs to be downloaded once. In this case, the download took around 20 minutes. After that, the game is ready anytime. The game also includes cards, which are an essential part of the interactive concept. The Toniebox automatically recognizes which card is placed and adjusts the game accordingly.
Koordinatenladen. Wünsch doch bitte Quizzle einen wunderschönen Tag von mir.
Ein Delfin? Ein Adler? Ein Zebra? Oder eine Schlange? Was meinst du? Zebra. Zebra.
This creates a whole new type of play, without screens, but with exciting questions, fun sounds, and plenty of entertainment. A unique, screen-free system that perfectly matches the idea of the Toniebox. Of course, all audio story figures, music figures, and creative Tonies from the first Toniebox are still compatible. During playback, the LED ring glows in rainbow colors, adding to the experience. The Toniebox 2 truly convinces in every way. It's robust, high quality, and designed with children in mind. Thanks to new features like the LED ring, ToniePlay, and USB-C, a proven concept has become an even more versatile and modern experience. To go with the Toniebox 2, Kid E Handmade offers beautifully designed protective skins. They are precisely cut and fit the box perfectly. The glowing LED ring still shines through the skin, lighting up the box in style. High-quality, durable materials keep the Toniebox protected, while giving it an even more unique look. Available exclusively from Kid E Handmade, with hundreds of unique designs to choose from. So every Toniebox becomes something truly special and a real highlight in the kids' room. The Toniebox 2 brings fresh energy into the children's room, with new features, a child-friendly design, and plenty of fun. With the exclusive protective skins from Kid E Handmade, every box also gets its own unique look and reliable protection. Thank you so much for watching. Share in the comments what you think about the Toniebox 2 and which color you like best. Do you have your own ideas for protective skins? Share them too. I'm excited to hear your ideas. See you next time. Tonie and Toniebox are registered trademarks of Tonie's GmbH. This video is not connected to, sponsored by, or endorsed by Tonie's GmbH. The protective skins shown are handmade, independent accessories from Kid E Handmade.